Quarter, and gonna get some food, and also gonna have a few more beers. So this is Toledo station. Ah, more. So we are in the Spanish Quarter, and the man himself, and this one, Sofia Loren. I think so, yeah. So Bud Spencer, Sofia Loren, here in the Spanish Quarter. Oh, we're gonna eat here, look. Let's have a look here or go this way, I don't know. We can check this one, look. It looks fancy, but we can try. That looks good. Yeah, here, look. This would be nice. Yeah, seafood. Okay, I might have seafood then. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Hey, how are you? Just for two?
No possible.
No, booked. Booked. Ah, okay. Ora. Oh, da vagány. Az utca. So we're gonna try this one. We might be lucky. Hey, how are you? For two? Yeah. Yes. All right. So we're gonna have some food here. We're gonna have salmon. Salmon and the beer. Look here. Butter. What does the salmon come with? What's it?
Salmon grill.
What does it come with?
Salmon.
But anything on the side or
with rice or
with cheese? Just salmon. That's it.
With the
Salad.
salad.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have the salmon
Salmon.
and French fries also. Yeah, French fries also, and big bottle of pepperoni. Big one.
and for me risotto alla pescatore
Solo pescatore.
e una qua
Acqua naturale frizzante.
frizzante.
Oh, great. Okay. Pretty fancy place, but let's see. So the food just arrived. Lovely salmon and chips and my pepperoni. Anyways, look at this plate. So cool, yeah. Alright, buon appetito. Okay, so look at this street with all the clothes hanging around and stuff. Alright, anyway, we just had a lovely food, and now We're wandering around a little bit here, but we are so tired, so this is not gonna be a long night. It's like 7:30 at the moment. So what we're gonna do, just gonna wander around a wee bit and then gonna find this lively looking bar and then have a few drinks and then walk home. Look at this, how many people again on the scooters. Alberto Mafia. What is this? Anyway, yeah, this is gonna be like a very short video of, I don't know, basically just wandering around. So nothing too interesting, nothing too special. Oh, they have again. Oh no, I thought it's the, you know, the dead people. No, it is not Ákos. It's not that. This is not a shooting, right? Is it? This is not fucking fireworks. What is it? Oh. I love these streets. Look at this sexy little clothes there. Someone's little, we're just having a look into someone's bedroom fantasy life. Yeah, it's nice to check what kind of clothes other people has. Look at this, like the whole thing. Fucking hell. So we just heard some fireworks. Well, let's hope it was fireworks and not a shooting. Who is this? Oh, lovely streets here. We're gonna be back here during daytime, so it might be more. I can imagine there will be more shops here, like, you know, like street cats and all, like, probably, and more busy. Everything is so protected. Look, like the entrance, the doors. You can't get in. Madonna. Madonna lives here. Another random temple. More clothes hanging. Fuck, I love it. Możemy wizy. Da Peppino. So just sitting here in the library bar. Pretty cool. Just gonna have a tequila and a beer. And finally we have some peanuts. And what is this? I found it.
sole maglie, le reti, devono essere lavate, devono cotte, i pesci piccolini.
What's that? Come in. Dai, oh. So yeah, this is such a cool place. I think this is like a bookshop or library kind of thing during daytime, and then at the evening it's probably just a bar. And I heard that they have like concerts here as well. Sometimes they have like a jazz in the corner over there. So yeah, really cool. I'm gonna wait with the tequila for another 1 minute. I think too early.
Now we got Coke as well.
How you do this? So you put a little bit of this here, yeah? Oh god, long time ago I didn't have tequila like this. Not my favorite. Anyway, I think that's it for today. We're gonna walk back soon, and then tomorrow morning we try to go to see the catacombas. Esty, how was your tequila? Good. Your favorite?